In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn all names into lowercase in Excel. First, open the Excel workbook where you want to make the change. This method is useful when your list of names has inconsistent capitalization and you want everything to appear in a clean, uniform lowercase format. Once your workbook is open, locate the data you'll be working with. For this example, the sample names are placed in cells A1 through A5, keeping your original names in one column and placing the converted version in another is a good approach because it lets you compare the results without changing the original data right away. Next, click cell B1 and type lowercase name. This will serve as the header for the new column, making it clear that this section contains the lowercase version of the names from column A. Adding simple headers like this helps keep your worksheet organized, especially if you're working with a larger spreadsheet. After that, click cell B2. In this cell, enter the formula equals lower, open parenthesis A2, close parenthesis. In Excel, that formula appears as alt lower A2. Then press enter on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, Excel converts the text from cell A2 into all lowercase letters and displays the result in B2. The reason this works is that the lower function is specifically designed to take any text and turn every uppercase letter into lowercase. So if a name was typed in uppercase, propercase, or a mixture of both, Excel will standardize it for you instantly. Now that the first formula is working, you can apply it to the rest of the names in the list. Select cell B2 again and look at the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell. This is called the fill handle. Click and drag that fill handle downward until you reach cell B5. When you release it, Excel automatically copies the formula to the remaining rows and adjusts the cell references for each one. That means each name in column A will now have a lowercase version displayed beside it in column B. This is a fast and efficient way to clean up text formatting without typing each result manually. And that's it. You've successfully converted all the names in your Excel list to lowercase using the lower function. If you're cleaning up spreadsheet data, this is one of the simplest formulas to know, and it can save you a lot of time.